Hello traders. Before we get into the main focus of this video, I want to let you know that you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Golden Scalper EA, which is an automated trading robot designed for MetaTrader 5. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and Golden Scalper EA is priced at 50 US dollars, which puts it on the more affordable side compared to a lot of other EAs. There is also a rental option available for a month, going for 30 US dollars per month. All right, so from the description, this EA is focused on scalping using candlestick pattern recognition combined with a moving average filter. All right, so you can see the EA uses advanced algorithms for analyzing candlestick patterns and filtering signals via a moving average to accurately determine entry points. So it is designed to work across multiple assets, Forex pairs, gold, indices, even crypto, which tells me it is built to be flexible rather than tied to a single market, right? So one thing that stands out here is that it supports 11 different candlestick patterns, which is quite a lot. That can be powerful, but it also means performance will depend heavily on how those patterns are configured. All right, so overall, this looks like a pattern-based scalping system with layered filtering and risk management. Now, let's just break down the key features and, more importantly, what they actually mean in real trading. The core of this EA is candlestick pattern recognition. So instead of relying on indicators alone, it's looking at price action, patterns like the engulfing candles, the dojis, morning stars, and so on, right? So the advantage here is that candlestick patterns are widely used and can be effective for spotting reversals or continuation setups, right? But the limitation is that patterns alone can generate false signals, especially in choppy or low quality market conditions. Now, that is where the moving average filter comes in. This filter ensures that buy trades are only taken when price is above the moving average, right? And sell trades only when price is below it. What this does is align trades with the broader trend, which can significantly improve entry quality. However, the trade-off is that you may miss some early reversal opportunities because the filter is designed to be more conservative. Another important feature is the built-in risk management system, right? You have options for fixed lot sizes or percentage based risk, plus controls like maximum drawdown and maximum drawdown limits and trade limits, right? So this is actually a strong point because it allows you to control how aggressive the EA is. But again, it also means results will vary depending on how these settings are configured. You also have trailing stop and break even functionality. All right. These help protect profits once trades move in your favor. But depending on how tight those settings are, they can either secure gains or cut trades too early before they fully develop. And finally, there are filters like minimum distance between trades and minimum time between trades and all of that, right? So these are designed to prevent over trading, which is very important for scalping systems. The benefit is better trade quality, but the downside is fewer trades overall. So instead of just talking about the features, let's just quickly jump into the strategy tester and actually see how this EA behaves. All right. So I am just going to add this here, click on test. Okay. I'm going to be running a back test starting from the beginning of this year. That's going to be 1st January 2026. Um, okay, just to get a recent sample, right? But at the same time, it's important to mention that this is still a relatively short period for a system like this, especially one that depends on market conditions. Testing over a longer duration will give a much more reliable picture. All right, let's start the test. Now, let me just pause for a bit. We can see that the trades have already started, being executed almost immediately. All right, we can see trades are being opened, and this is a good example of how the EA enters the market. If you look closely, you will see that this entry is likely triggered by a candlestick pattern, right? You know, perhaps combined with confirmation from the moving average, even though we are not seeing the moving average visibly here. But considering the fact that the EA also uses a moving average, then we can safely assume that moving average is part of the confirmations used before executing a trade. And we can see how the results of trades are being displayed directly on the chart. Here is saying plus 96, here it's saying minus 1536, right? So the entry logic here is essentially pattern based with trend confirmation. So it's trying to enter when price shows a reversal or continuation signal, but only if it aligns with the overall direction defined by the moving average. Okay, so let's continue. All right. So if you notice what is happening, price is moving. In some cases, I think I mistakenly stopped this. I'm just going to run it again very quickly. All right. So if you look closely, you will see that the current market condition is sort of there are times when the market is going down, times when it's consolidating, times when it's going up, and all of that. But the EA looks for opportunities across the different market conditions. All right. But amidst all these conditions, candlestick patterns need to be identified. However, in choppy or highly volatile markets, patterns can become less reliable and signals may conflict with each other. That's where the MA filter helps, but it won't eliminate all false signals, right? So let's just take a look at the results of this backtest. The backtest has already been completed. All right. So we can see that the EA experienced significant losses. All right. We had an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, and net profit was over 2,900 US dollars. Right. The profit factor, of course, 0.35, and out of 28 trades taken over the past 3 months and 3 weeks since the beginning of the year, right? There were 16 short trades, 50% won. There were 12 long trades, only about 16.67% won. Now, remember that these are historical backtest results, so they are not a guarantee of future performance. Here, you will want to go through when you are doing your backtest. You want to go through the profits and losses gotten across different time frames, right? Remember that we use just one time frame for this backtest, so feel free to backtest during your own convenient time using different time frames if you are interested in this indicator. Okay, so based on the results we have, there was significant losses incurred, and remember that the drawdown incurred on an account by an EA is also dependent on the lot size being used, right? So overall, Golden Scalper EA seems to be a structured pattern-based trading system with a focus on combining price action with trend filtering. Now, the biggest trend here is the combination of candlestick patterns and the MA filter. It adds an extra layer of confirmation, but at the same time, it still depends heavily on market conditions and proper configuration. right? So it's flexible and customizable, which is great, but that also means that it is not completely plug and play. As always, I'll recommend testing it on a demo account first and running longer back tests across different market conditions before using it in a live environment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.